Hey y'all, I received this knife block set from Knife Saga, which is a Japanese-inspired stainless steel knife set, and we are loving it so far. We've used it to cook a couple of meals and to chop some vegetables, and it is pretty sweet. Let me show you. This thing comes with 6 dining knives, and the first thing that you're going to notice about these knives is that it's got a really nice handle to it. It really fits really well into the hand. Now, I will say that I believe that it is hollow on the inside because it is a little bit, I would say, lighter than what you would expect for a solid stainless steel knife, but it is super sharp. We were cutting some chicken with this the other day after cooking with it, and it is holds really well. We also use this to kind of debone the chicken thighs, and that was super sharp as well. It sliced right through the meat without any problems. As far as the kitchen shears, these worked really well as well. As far as the cooked meat, you can just slice. It's left-handed or right-handed, would work either way. So this also includes 2 really large cutting knives. I love that there's like these little divots here that prevents the sticking of vegetables onto the side of it. Looks like a few spots because we have used it and I didn't polish it really well. But as far as any type of rust or anything like that, we haven't noticed any of that. On the manual, it does say that you should wash it promptly with water and then dry it to prevent any type of rust. But we haven't had that issue yet after several uses. And then, of course, we do have the bread cutter. We also have another knife here for slicing. And overall, I'm really liking this because this block, I think it's made out of cedar wood, and it also has a knife sharpener on the edging. So it's got a built-in knife sharpener as well. Loving this so far, and I hope you found this helpful. If you're looking for a new knife set, consider this one. Have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.